Bonjour. Welcome to our French lesson today. Today we're going to explore la vie quotidienne, and that's daily life in French. We're going to learn essential vocabulary and phrases. Let's start with the days of the week. Can you repeat after me? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now let's learn some basic phrases for morning routines. As everyone does every day, we need some phrases that will help us to get by. Je me lève. Je me lève. Je me lave les dents. Je me lave les dents. Je me douche. Je me douche. C'est simple. What about breakfast? Je prends un café. Je prends un café. Je mange un croissant. Mais oh là là, je n'ai pas de croissant. Now let's learn some French phrases for commuting. Je prends le métro. I take the metro. Je prends le métro. Je prends le bus. I take the bus. Je prends le bus. Now you know what to say when you want to take a train or bus in a French-speaking country. What about lunch? After all that talking, we'll definitely get hungry. Donc, je prends un sandwich. Je prends un sandwich. I take a sandwich. Je mange une salade. Je mange une salade. I eat a salad. Oh là là, je suis rassasié. Finally, let's learn some phrases for relaxing in the evening. Je regarde la télé. I watch TV. Je regarde la télé. Je lis un livre. Je lis un livre. I read a book. Hmm. Je lis un livre. Merci pour votre attention. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and will practice your French skills in your daily life. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload new videos. À la prochaine!